Hey you guys, it's Keith. Hey, I just made a purchase. I've already taken it out of the box and mounted the scope. It's a pellet gun, but it's a 22 caliber pellet gun. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's a break barrel design, which is still pretty stiff. So watch your ears. But you know, this scope is awesome, man. It has you know, vertical and horizontal adjustments, lens caps, and it shoots 22 caliber hollow point pellets, which is pretty powerful, I guess. It's let's see, I'll try and show you this real quick. The scope, you know, 3 to 9 32 millimeter, 22 cal, 70% less noise, under 1,000 feet per second. But anyway, I'm gonna go set up some targets and see how she works. So Cabrera is not doing too well these days. Anyway, laters. Okay, you guys, I got this new 22 caliber thing loaded, and there's the targets. They're about, I don't know, 15-20 yards. We'll see. Get over here. Get over here. Come here. Get out of the mud. Get. Come here. Stay. Alright. Damn. I don't think I'm hitting shit. Of course, I haven't calibrated the scope or doped it yet. One more time. In the middle. Well, I guess I got some calibration to do.